Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and glad to have you guys here watching the next video on our list. And so today is coming back from taking a little bit of a break. I've had some back issues, so sorry I haven't had videos out recently, but you know, staying strong and trying to get back in the garage for you guys. And so in today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing, take a little peek down here. Yeah, from Tom's Bronco parts down in Oregon. And so we're gonna get to that in a minute, and I'll share that with you guys. But just wanna give you guys a quick update on what's been going on. And so, yes, I did take a little bit of a break. So hold on, stay strong. Make sure you're subscribing and liking the videos and stuff. It helps the channel out and keeps us going. So, on that little break, some of the things that we've been doing is replacing the lights. Don't shine the light up, don't do it. We got some new LED lights that we've installed. Even have some more coming up. And then we have our parts over here that my trusty daughter is helping with the camera work. And we have them laid out and things are getting ready to go. And we got extra lights up there on the bench and fender flares and all kinds of stuff. But my back has been holding me back. And so, but with that said, I'm fighting through it, and I'm gonna have some more stuff and more videos coming to you soon, including this one that we're doing right now. So, as I say, without further ado, here's our unboxing, the unboxing from Tom's. If you guys read the description, you already know what's in here, so it's not really much of a surprise, but you guys get to open it with me. We actually went down, see, we're up here in Washington, and we actually went all the way down to Medford, Oregon area to pick it up in person on a road trip that we were doing. So, it was pretty cool to see some vehicles. If I remember, I'll add some pictures of that. Sorry for the noise. Actually, I should probably grab something to cut with. Hopefully not end up cutting myself. What should we use? How this will work? Look what it says. Do not cut. No blades. I'm guessing it's because there's a nice sharp thing that will ruin underneath. And now we know why. Don't want to end up cutting this. So be careful if you end up getting one of these. Ta-da! It is a new center console for the Bronco. I am super excited about this because I've been wanting to put tunes in the Bronco, but I never put a roof on the cab. So, matter of fact, I even sold my roof, my hard top. I do want to get a soft top, but that's not in the plans as of right this moment. So let me pull this out here without hurting myself. Voila! Look at that. Wrinkles on the top there. Open it up. Looks like it's got a little baggie of goods. Let's see what we got here. Hopefully a key. Hey look, this bumper. I don't know if you guys have seen this bumper. This is my new baby. It's partially done. I was recording video on this bumper as I was putting it together. And guess what? Battery died, yep. I was so pissed. I didn't want to have to redo it. You know, like respray paint and then grind it back off and all that stuff. But I still have to pull the bumper off, do some more work to it. I still have some more bolts I need to add back in here and stuff. Look, you're getting more than just an unboxing. So this is a Badlands set. It's a 12,000 pound winch with the bumper and stuff. So pretty excited about that. Anyways, I digress. Gonna go back to this here. But yeah, I'm excited about the bumper. What do we got? Thank you, bumper. Looks like, oh, we got the bolt kit. So you can bolt it down. I will not be bolting it down. Do not tell thieves about this, but I will not be bolting it down because of the fact that I still want to finish my floor before I do that. I'll put the bolts here. Oh, looks like we got some, maybe some installation. I'll have to maybe read instruction. I didn't know it was going to be that complicated. Well, not complicated, but you know what I mean. So we got that. Let's see what else we got here. Looks like there's a strap. Little baggies, by the way. It never hurts to carry these in one of your drawers. Put them in a drawer or something, because those good to reuse stuff in the first place. I almost want to say this is like to put in the bottom of this. There's no instruction. Let me see real quick. That would be a confirmed yes. I guess we will go ahead and just leave that right there. Not 100% sure what these straps are for exactly, but inside the, oh, there we go. I was like, where's the keys? So right here, inside the bolt kit is actually, sorry for the focusing, but, which by the way, please comment. This is a new camera, new mic and everything. If you've gotten this far through the video, you know how to fix hearing the sound of the focus in your videos, please comment. I'd love to know, because I haven't figured it out yet. So in the meantime, gotta live with a little bit of focusing. But yeah, inside your bolt kit is the actual keys, which is one of the reasons why I got this in the first place. And watch this. If you haven't seen this console, it's in a lot of Broncos, but ta-da! You get to open it up. Mount a stereo in here, you know, a single DIN stereo, and be able to, yeah, lock it up, you know, close this here, lower this down, and lock it up, which is wonderful. And then, of course, you have your, apparently, I didn't even know these had buttons on them in the first place, but here, let me. So, I'm not sure why that has that in there, but it looks like you could open these. So there you go. Apparently you can adjust these a little bit. There you go. To be honest, it's a little clunky, but hey, you know, if you could put a drink in there and have it not move around, sounds good to me. But looks like you put your phone there. And that's about it. I'm excited. I'll give you a quick peek before we end the video on what my old console looks like. I'm gonna move this so the camera girl doesn't fall on her face. And if she follows me over here, this is the center console that I have had for a long time. And surprisingly has done very, very well. I've had it for probably about 9 years, honestly, and it has just sat there and done its job. You know, just keep a couple of things in there that I won't show you, and that's about it. So, hopefully, the next video you guys see will be a quick install of the new center console. Because yeah, there's going to be a part 2 of the center console, so I can keep them separate. But in the meantime, thank you guys so much. Gonna lean on my Bronco, my babies. And if you've made it this far, once again, thank you for watching. Appreciate it. If you like what you see in the videos you're watching, please subscribe and like and follow the little bell and for future videos and so forth. And until next time, take care. Thank you. Bye.